Hello. So I thought I'm going to record the way I imported or copy my lessons from one course to the other. This semester, I have I'm teaching one course with several sections. So I thought I'm going to make a video just in case someone can benefit from this. So in our university, we are using iStudy, but for some, this LMS is also commonly known as Moodle. And with that, if you happen to be teaching again the same course that you've already taught from the previous semester, this hopefully this tip will be helpful for you. Or if you are teaching the same course with several sections, this would also save you some time from creating again similar lessons in another course. So let me share with you how our LMS look like. If you can see here, this is my courses that I'm teaching this semester. Now you will notice that I have 4 great books courses this semester, and whatever lessons or resources that I'm putting in one of this course will also be the same with the other 3. So if I keep on doing that, putting my materials here, my lessons, my quizzes, and then doing it again in another one, it can be sort of tedious. So what we can do instead is we can just copy, or we call it import. Now let's look at one of my courses. So currently this is just what it has. I would like for this afternoon to copy this specific part. By the way, this important, you can do this for your whole lessons or just parts of it. So it's the same, you use the same technique. So for now, if you can see, I have my major reading requirement for my class. And if I check my other course, I only have this. What I want to do now is to copy this parts here to my other course here. So how do I do that? First, it's important that you turn your editing on. Okay, sorry. Here, you click this icon, actions menu, and then click import. And when you import, look for that specific course where you want to copy from. So I wanted to copy from the section Great Books, MW 830 to 10. And you just click next. Then you have here the lessons that I already have there. If you only want to copy partially some of the lessons, then you have to click none. But if you want to copy all, for example, you're creating your sections, another one, and you already have a completed lesson for the whole term and you want to copy everything, then you just proceed right away. But since I'm only choosing what I wanted to copy, I have to uncheck first, and I will only check the parts. So you have to check the main section and check the parts that you want to copy. So I wanted to copy this, the study, reading guide questions, and the quiz. Click next and scroll down and perform import and continue. So if we compare now, this is for TTH 830 to 10. And now you will see it's already here. Okay, the introduction, the PowerPoint, which is in PDF, my study reading guides, and the quiz. And it's exactly the same from my previous course. But because this previous course is MW, and this one is, and the other one where I have just imported my lesson is TTH, I should remember to edit some of the dates. So that's where I said we have to turn editing on, and these parts will appear. And now what I need to do is to edit settings, then I will have to ensure that my dates, like this one, January 19 to 26, it's applicable for MW. So I will just adjust that time. It should be January 20. I want to open my quiz for 1 week. So from Thursday to Thursday next week. And I should also change the dates here to, okay, it's already 27. So it's up to you what dates you want to put, but basically just remember to edit. It's the same thing with all your lessons or assignments that you have assigned, or if you're copying from the previous term, you can do that, but just don't forget to edit, or else if you copied, it will copy as is. And if you copied something from the previous semester, what you will have is, for example, it's a quiz and there's a specific time where it closes. The quiz that you will have for the course that you have copied will be unavailable for your students because of the dates. So if you are copying in as much that it will copy everything, you have to ensure that you also remember to edit the dates if your requirements are bounded by date. So I hope that's helpful for you. Thank you very much. God bless you.